Top tips for drawing using the Loomis method to benefit from and develop your skills. 1. Always start with circles. Every head in the Loomis method starts with a circle. Don't try to draw the face directly. A circle helps you establish proportion and direction. 2. Define the center line. Draw a line in the middle of the circle that shows the direction of the face, slanted, forward, sideways. This line is the basis for the positioning of the eyes, nose, and mouth. 3. Learn the divisions of the head. Divide the head in half, then into 3 parts, from the top of the head to the eyebrows, from the eyebrows to the bottom of the nose, from the nose to the chin. This helps you maintain proper proportion. 4. Adjust the level of the ears. The ear is usually located between the level of the eyebrows and the bottom of the nose. 5. Don't rush the details. Focus first on building the head, the geometric shape, then add the facial features step by step. 6. Constantly change your drawing angles. Try drawing faces from the front, then from the side, then at a 3/4 angle until you get used to the flexibility. 7. Repetition is key. It's not enough to just understand the method. You need to repeat it many times until it becomes a mental habit. 8. Use real references. After you practice the divisions, try drawing from real photos and applying Loomis's divisions to them. Learning the Loomis method is important for any artist, especially if they want to master drawing faces and human figures for the following reasons. A solid foundation for drawing heads and faces. The Loomis method gives you a simple and organized system for transforming any head into basic geometric shapes, circle plus lines, making drawing more accurate, even if you're drawing from imagination. Better control of proportions. The proportions between the eyes, nose, mouth, and ears are very clear in the Loomis method, avoiding common mistakes like making the eyes too high or the nose too long. Ease of drawing faces from different angles. Instead of being restricted to drawing faces from the front only, Loomis gives you tools to draw them correctly from any angle or perspective. Speeding up the drawing process. Once you master the method, you'll draw faces much faster because you build them step by step instead of random guesswork. An excellent foundation for creativity. Once you've mastered the proportions and rules, you can break them or modify them to suit your own style without the drawing looking wrong. Develop your understanding of facial anatomy. By following Loomis's steps, you'll learn where bones meet muscles and where facial features naturally fall. Improve your drawing skills from imagination. Instead of always relying on photos, you'll be able to draw symmetrical faces from your imagination because you understand the principle behind each line. Easier drawing of multiple characters. You can adjust the proportions of circles and lines to create characters with different features while maintaining realism. Flexibility between realistic and cartoon styles. The same principle you learned from Loomis can be applied in a realistic style or a manga cartoon style with simple changes. Save time and effort. Instead of starting to draw randomly and rescanning multiple times, planning ahead with Loomis's method saves you time and reduces mistakes. Easy to learn for beginners. Even those who have never held a pencil can follow this method step by step and quickly develop their skills. A strong foundation for development. Once you master it, you can combine it with lighting, shadow, and color techniques to reach a professional level.